Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the most important key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the efficiency and impact of artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced analytics in organizations. Implementing AI can transform your business, but measuring its success is critical to justify investments and adjust strategies. The image summarizes the main KPIs in 3 categories: operational efficiency, customer experience, and return on investment. If you want to learn how to evaluate the real impact of AI on your business, stay until the end of the video. Task processing time. This KPI measures how long it takes AI to complete a task compared to manual methods. An example might be a customer service center using chatbots that can measure the average resolution time before and after implementing AI. The benefit obtained will be the significant reduction in response time, improving productivity. Operational cost reduction evaluates the savings generated after the adoption of AI, such as the automation of maintenance processes in manufacturing. An example could be the implementation of AI-based predictive maintenance to reduce repair costs. Data management efficiency measures the ability of AI to process large volumes of data compared to manual management. An example might be a bank that can evaluate the number of transactions automatically analyzed for fraud detection. First contact resolution rate measures the percentage of queries resolved on the first contact with a virtual assistant. An example can be a telecommunications company that can compare this KPI before and after implementing AI. The benefit obtained is improved customer satisfaction and reduces the burden on the support team. Customer response time. Compare the average response time before and after implementing AI in a customer service. An example can be an e-commerce that can measure the decrease in response time after integrating chatbots. Customer Satisfaction Index, CSAT. It evaluates customer satisfaction after interacting with automated AI systems. An example might be an insurance company that asks customers to rate their experience after using a chatbot to handle claims. Return on investment, ROI, of AI projects measures the financial benefits generated by the implementation of AI compared to the initial investment. An example could be an e-commerce that implements a personalized recommendation system that can calculate the ROI by evaluating the increase in sales. Increase in conversion rate measures how AI impacts the conversion of prospects into customers. An example might be an e-commerce that measures the increase in conversion rate after customizing campaigns with AI. Labor cost savings measures the reduction in labor costs due to the automation of repetitive tasks. An example might be a manufacturing company measuring cost savings after automating assembly processes with collaborative robots. KPIs are essential to measure the impact of AI and advanced analytics on your organization. By focusing on operational efficiency, customer experience, and ROI, you will be able to fine-tune your strategies and maximize the benefits of these technologies. If you want to implement a KPI measurement system to evaluate the efficiency of AI in your company, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we will design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.